In front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to click on this square button and tap on the top left corner. Now select an app that you wish to open in this view, in my case Play Store, and as you can see now, I can use it in this little window over here. In order to move it around, hold this blue line and drag it. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, access the other one and operate in both of them. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by dragging it downwards, or you can also just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!